From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
84 for that high temperature today, so definitely warm. We'll probably be pretty close to that tomorrow afternoon as well. Temperatures have slowly dropped into the 70s this evening. We're at 73 here in Lafayette, mostly cloudy skies. Dew points, muggy for sure in the upper 60s, so temperatures not going to be able to fall too much more tonight. Winds have relaxed just a bit, but we got another breezy day coming up tomorrow. Big picture satellite radar composite. Again, we had that intervals of clouds and sun across Acadiana today. Couple light showers to the afternoon, and in fact, we still got a couple ongoing this evening. I'll show you that with Power Doppler 3 on the next graphic. Threat of severe weather here across portions of Oklahoma. That's a frontal boundary, and we're going to see that cool front sweep through Acadiana late Monday, early Tuesday. But for us, no severe weather, just an increase in our rain chances. So here's Power Doppler 3 this evening. Again, still showing a couple batches of light showers. We got one here in eastern portions of Upper St. Martin Parish, and all of this again gradually moving off to the north. That's getting ready to move across I-10 there, and then a little bit farther to the south as we get just north of Sippermore Point into portions of Iberia Parish, just south of New Iberia and Delcom. And again, all of this gradually moving to the north, so we're going to keep rain chances at around 10 to 20% through tonight, and then they'll kind of hover in that 20 to 25% range throughout our Sunday. So we could see a couple what we call streamer showers throughout the day, basically moisture building into the Gulf of Mexico. But any activity that we would see would be rather light in nature, so nothing that would really ruin any outdoor plans that you may have. But again, we start out mild and muggy first thing tomorrow morning, upper 60s to lower 70s. Again, your rain chances 20 to 25%. Into the afternoon, intervals of clouds and sunshine, so pretty similar weather pattern to what we've seen over the last couple of days. Stays warm. We'll go 84 to 85 for that projected high. Winds will stay breezy out of the south, again bringing in that Gulf moisture. And then mild and muggy conditions once again tomorrow night, Monday morning, upper 60s to lower 70s. Now, most of Monday should actually be relatively dry. It's going to be another warm day as we see temperatures pushing the middle 80s by the afternoon. Now, here comes that cold front, and showers and storms more or less kind of on a weakening trend as they reach Acadiana late Monday evening, but nonetheless, at the very least, it will help to increase our rain chances, and it looks like we'll stay a little bit unsettled, at least until the first half of Tuesday. It should start to dry things out by Tuesday afternoon, but definitely will be a little bit cooler as we see high temperatures returning to the upper 70s, and the humidity is going to be coming down as well. In fact, some very comfortable humidity values into the middle parts of the upcoming week. So winds tonight, not too bad, 4 to 8, and then they'll start to pick up again mid-morning tomorrow into the afternoon. Sustained, we'll say 12 to 18, but those gusts at times could even be a little bit higher than that. So again, mild overnight tonight. Temperatures will struggle to drop into the 60s, so we'll probably start out close to 70 first thing tomorrow morning, and then another warm one into tomorrow afternoon as temperatures top out mid-80s under partly to mostly cloudy skies, upper 60s, lower 70s once again Monday morning, and then again another warm one Monday afternoon as we'll see temperatures topping out mid-80s here in Acadiana, but notice lower 70s across the northern parts of the state. That's that cooler air. And again, we'll see at least slightly cooler conditions as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. So overall, pretty pleasant evening. Maybe a couple light showers out there that I just showed you on the radar. So we'll maintain at least a 10 to 20% chance. Model going for 40%. That's a little bit overdone there. And again, overall mild night, 70 for that projected low. Tomorrow, maybe sitting out by the pool or going to one of the festivals that we have here in Acadiana. Not too bad. It's going to stay warm, 83 to 85 for that projected high temperature range tomorrow afternoon with a mixture of sun and clouds. And again, it will stay breezy into the afternoon. Rain chances 50 to 60% late Monday, early Tuesday with that frontal boundary. Again, mainly just scattered showers, maybe a few storms, but not expecting any sort of severe weather. And then it's back to plenty of sunshine as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. High temperatures, low to mid 80s, comfortable humidity values for those 2 days as well. But then it will be turning warmer by the end of the week and into next weekend. May have to raise rain chances just a bit either next Saturday or Sunday. Don't want to. But the timing there is still a little bit murky, so we'll have more of that in the days ahead.
Well, if you're the father of a girl who has a band playing at festival,
I know.
Will you accept bribes?
Yeah. We're trying to get it right.
I know. His heart's in the right place.
It
When
is.
we come back, we will take a look at those wild